Okay, this is the Phở Noodle. It's one of the typical food of the people. Maybe it's quite nowadays it's quite well known in the U.S. And Phở Noodle made from the rice flour like this, and beef, piece of ham, and it's a vegetable. The vital things make the phở be perfect. And there are different kinds of phở in Vietnam. The phở in the south of Vietnam is different to the phở in the you know the the north or central. But the original of phở it come from the Nam Định. Nam Định is in the north of Vietnam. And when if you want to make it the phở, it take you a long time to making the phở. Firstly, you need to cook the soup. It's soup inside. Uh, you need it's gonna take a long time for you to cook soup. It's from the night to the morning. It's a long time. So in order to have a perfect or the best phở, you need how to cook the soup very well. That's I want to talk about the phở noodle. Now, firstly, now I will show you how to try the phở.
How to try the pho.
Put the vegetable first. You know this one?
What's this?
It's the basil.
Basil.
Yes. You know this one?
Bean sprouts.
Frog bean. And with the no, try it.
Thank you.
Let's me miss.
Yeah. Gonna try some pho.
Say something about your feeling now.
Very good. It's not
Ngon.
no. Very delicious. I like the meat. I like the noodles. These noodles are skinny noodles, unlike the other ones. And it's nice. I like the broth, as you said. The soup.
Your soup.
The soup is very good in here. Do people eat pho for breakfast?
Yeah, in Vietnam, the people often have phở anytime in a day. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's okay. You know, the soup of phở made from the bone of the pork. The bone of
Oh,
pork.
so it's made from the bone of the pork.
After making the soup, the people, take the bone outside. And in Vietnam, many workers after finishing work, they often eat bone, the bone of the pork and drink beer together. It's very typical.
Yeah.
The good soup of phở is totally from the bone. The bone of pork is very important.
Very cool.